a McDonald's in Palm Beach County, a woman who won't leave, and one sentence she kept repeating that was about to become very wrong. On February 11, 2024, Palm Beach County deputies responded to a disturbance call. A woman had refused multiple requests from management to leave a McDonald's restaurant. By the time officers made contact, she had an argument ready. Here's the argument. A 24-hour McDonald's is still a private business. The owner, or their representative, can refuse service to anyone at any time for any reason. That part is correct. What she got wrong was what happens next. In Florida, refusing to leave after a business tells you to go, and after law enforcement tells you to go, is trespass after warning. Under Florida Statute 810.9, that's a misdemeanor. Up to 1 year. The sign wasn't a legal requirement. The verbal notice was enough.
I haven't been trespassed.
Dude, what the f? I was off the property! What about my phone? Dude!
Hello. We got a call?
You can make it.
No, someone called us.
Oh, okay. What's your address?
I guess so, yeah.
It's 875.
There we go. I'm not cutting you, they call.
Hi.
Hello.
This gentleman's been here since 3 hours ago, and I've been asking him has to leave. He cannot be hanging around here.
Okay.
He doesn't want to leave.
You gotta go.
It's a 24-hour McDonald's.
It's a private business. If they want, they can refuse service to anybody they want.
She literally.
It's a private business. They can. There's not. If you don't leave, you're gonna go to jail.
No, listen.
I'm not gonna listen. We can talk outside if you want.
Listen. She
Outside.
has her kid here.
If you then make a complaint to McDonald's.
Okay.
You have to leave.
She's sitting here telling me I gotta go, but she literally has her kid sitting.
Make a complaint to McDonald's.
Well,
All right.
That's DCF.
Then call DCF.
Like what?
You call DCF. It's not us.
Like man, you doing some. How you doing?
Are you going or no?
Can I wrap up my charger or?
Yeah, I'd like you to hurry up.
I mean, I'm leaving, so I mean.
All right.
She's doing too fucking much. Now, her kids in
You
the
can
back.
call McDonald's. Again, has nothing to do with us. Call McDonald's corporate. Call corporate.
Okay, her kids in the back.
Call corporate.
In the cooking area.
Call corporate.
Because she didn't. Because now she don't want y'all to see that her kids sitting here.
Okay. Call corporate.
Okay. I'm gonna get corporate's number before I leave. I could politely tell that manager to come back over here so she got.
We could go outside.
Okay.
You're being difficult. Sunday. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are.
Because I was sitting here minding my I'm being harassed. So.
Harassed by who?
The manager that came over here that also had her kids sitting here.
There's even a sign says 30
She
minutes.
just printed that out.
That's it?
She just printed that out, put it up here before y'all pulled up here. So, I'm a pan fucking customer.
Can't help you with that.
I'm not saying you can't. Customers don't help with much, to be honest. They protect corporations. It's America. I'm sweet. Exited the building, so
You gotta get off the premise.
You got the property.
You gotta get off the
I
property.
want you. Period. Like, you can't leave the property.
I haven't been trespassed.
So you want to get trespassed?
No,
You want to make it official? You can't come back here for a year, or you just want to leave now, call it a day?
I'm just saying. Shit, y'all realize you're doing too much, right?
Listen, do you realize you're barking up the wrong tree? We don't know, and quite frankly, we don't care. They call us, tell us they want something out of their business, we just do.
I know y'all don't care.
All right, so why are we still talking?
Go to the McDonald's.
What?
If
You have to
leave
leave the
property, I'm
premise.
gonna have to take you in handcuffs and leave you the property.
I'm out of McDonald's. Like, what you mean?
Property, like you got to leave the parking lot of McDonald's. Is it hard to understand?
The way you explain it, yeah.
See the parking lot?
To leave the property?
Off the property. Off.
Explain it, yeah. Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You have a real big door.
I will.
I know.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Office. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, listen, we're done with this. So either leave the property, I'm going to put handcuffs, you're going to gun clubs. I'm coming to pick you up right now.
What?
I already told you, you're supposed to leave.
Y'all said off the property. Look.
Yeah, and where did I say the
Look,
property was?
Wait. Just wait. Y'all said off the property. Look, I'm on.
Turn around.
I was asking y'all the. Babe, come get me. Babe. What the dude? What the What the
Put your hand. Now you're getting additional charges.
Listen.
You listen.
I was off the property.
Now you're off the property. Now
I was
stand
at
up.
the same spot. How are y'all gonna arrest me? I'm at the same
Because you're told to leave the property,
I'm off
and
the
you don't want to leave.
property. Look.
Yeah.
Damn.
Let's go now. Now we're going to
My
jail.
phone.
We'll grab it.
How are y'all arresting me and saying I'm off the property? I was in the same spot. I'm asking y'all a question. What's here for me for? Damn.
Because you don't listen, you don't leave. Now you're leaving.
I was off the property.
Now you're going to be off.
How are y'all? I was off the.
Where's the car?
Bro, look. I was off
These
the.
rings.
Bro, how are y'all trying
Face me again, you're gonna go back on the ground.
I'm on the ground for what? I was off the.
You're gonna go on the ground.
I was off the property. What the hell? Y'all arrested me saying get off the property, and I'm trying to.
No, you want to play games and you pick the wrong
How
team.
did
That's
I?
what happened.
How did I pick the wrong? And y'all say get off the property. I was off the property. I turned around and asked y'all a question, and y'all come and try and
Leave, and you want to be a wise guy.
Because-
Not leave the property.
bro, what the? Can y'all go get my phone before it gets stolen?
Yeah, we'll get it. You gotta take all this jewelry.
How are y'all going to arrest me? And I'm on Red Crab's fucking. And I'm trying to ask y'all.
You're not
a
in
question.
Red Crab's property.
Yes, I was. That's a whole nother parking lot.
Listen, you need to talk to someone else.
No, because that's a whole nother parking lot.
Here's a whole other parking lot.
And so if I can't ask y'all the question, what the f***'s here for me for?
We're not here for you. We're here to remove you.
Okay, and I'm asking y'all a question on another property, and y'all ain't even trying to talk.
No, you
What the
want-
I wasn't trying to be a smart ass. No,
talking.
because I wasn't trying to be a religious
They
beads.
come
You
off.
can't take it off.
Yeah, they have
That's
to come off.
religious. It's religious,
It
bro. It's
doesn't work.
religious.
It doesn't
It's
work.
religious.
Listen, you're already catching a charge after charge after
Charge for what? I was asking y'all a question.
resisted arrest.
I'm not
Once
resisting.
disorderly conduct.
I'm not resisting. I
Yeah.
wasn't even disorderly. You told me to get off the property. No, listen. Y'all told me to get off the property.
I'm not listening.
Y'all told me to get off the property. I got off the property, and I'm asking you a question because now I need. What the?
I told you to stop turning on. Stay right there.
Okay,
If
I'm
you
right
close
here.
your legs
Damn.
again, I'm gonna take it as a threat and you're gonna end up on the ground.
Do
you understand?
I'm a threat.
You understand?
I'm a threat. And I'm
Do you understand?
I'm asking y'all a question, and y'all come arrest me while I'm asking a question. What?
And now you need to start learning your lesson.
Learning my lesson, bro. Y'all said get off the property. I got off the property.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Parking lot all
What
the way
the
over to that white car.
Y'all did not know it's the house. That's a whole nother residence. That's a whole nother restaurant right there. I'm trying to ask y'all something as police officers.
No, you want to be a smart ass.
I'm not being a smart ass. I was asking a question. Y'all sit here and
Face that way.
no, listen. Y'all sit here and arrest me for some bullshit. What? Record this, my guy. Record this.
We're recording.
Okay.
In the car.
Bro, y'all got
Get your
my
feet in.
property all on the ground. What the fuck?
Get your feet in.
My phone! What about my phone? What about my phone, dude?
Officers had now told her to leave the property, not just the building, the entire premises at least 4 times. She stayed, she argued. She cited corporate policy, DCF, and the fact that she was a paying customer. None of that changes the law. And here, the officer gave her a choice. Leave now or be formally trespassed, which means she cannot return for 1 year and coming back is a criminal charge. She declined the offer. She stayed. That decision will matter in about 90 seconds. The officer had heard enough. He told her clearly, leave the property or go to jail in handcuffs. She kept talking. What she said next was the last thing she said as a free person at that McDonald's. She stepped outside and claimed she was off the property. The officer asked where he said the property line was. She turned back toward him. That was the moment. Turn around. She didn't. Deputies moved in. She resisted physically, and the charge changed. What started as a misdemeanor trespass became something else entirely. Resisting an officer with violence. Under Florida Statute 843.01, any physical resistance during a lawful detention or arrest, pushing, pulling, tensing, qualifies. That's a third-degree felony, up to 5 years. She handed them that charge by not stopping. She kept arguing on the ground, kept explaining. The deputies kept processing. The explanation and the arrest were happening at the same time. Only one of those things was going to stop. By the time she was in the patrol car, she had accumulated 2 charges: failure to leave property upon owner's request and resisting an officer with violence. The first one she could have walked away from. The second one she created herself. The manager confirmed she'd been asked 4 or 5 times. Staff had posted a notice. Officers gave verbal warnings. Every procedural box was checked before a single handcuff went on. She was taken into custody and charged on both counts. If convicted and penalty stacked, she faces up to 5 years in prison and $5,500 in fines. The trespass charge carries up to 1 year. The resisting with violence charge carries up to 5. She ran both at once. Now the grades. Starting with the officers. The deputies get an A. They warned her at least 4 times. They offered her a way out at Q86, the formal trespass option. She refused it. Every step was documented before they acted. Under the reasonable officer standard, every decision here holds. They didn't rush. She escalated. They responded. That's the job done right. She gets a D. Her read on trespass law wasn't wrong. Florida does require notice. What she missed is that the notice doesn't have to be a sign. The officer's verbal order, backed by the owner's request, is sufficient under 810.09. She knew enough law to build an argument. Not enough to know when it had already failed, and when deputies moved in, she made it worse. The misdemeanor became a felony because she couldn't stop. There's a moment in this footage, Q86, where the officer offers her the formal trespass and she says no. That was her exit. She passed it. Everything after that was a choice she made herself. If you want more body cam analysis, the moments people don't expect to end up on camera, hit subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. What do you think her sentence should be? We'll see you in the next one.
Trash. I'll go get the, do you want me to write this up, or?
I'll write it up.
Sure. I'll get her, 14.
I left my favorite car to go get it.
That's fine, I'll just take your name. What's your first name?
What's wrong with people walking without shoes?
I don't know. So he's going to jail.
Why?
He was refusing to leave.
Oh, really?
So you asked him how many times?
Oh, like 4 or 5.
Refused to leave. He refused to
I
leave.
gave him time. He
Yeah.
then said, well, you don't have a sign. I'm like, okay, let me post my sign. I was supposed to post a sign, so I post a sign. And
So you asked him 4 or 5 times to leave. He refused to leave. We came. He eventually got up, but then didn't want to leave the parking lot. We said, you have to leave the premise or you're going to get trespassed. He said, refused to leave, so he's going to jail for trespass. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
If he comes back within a year, call us. He gets arrested for trespass again.
Awesome.
Could you just raise your right hand for me? Do you swear to affirm that the information telling me the truth?
It is the truth.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Proven guilty in court.